In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Unity Remote 5 app on Android. First, open the Google Play Store. You can find this app on your Android device, usually represented by a colorful Play icon. As you tap the icon, the Play Store will load and display a vast selection of apps. This marketplace is where you will find Unity Remote 5, among many other applications. The Google Play Store is essential for downloading and updating apps securely. You will feel more confident knowing that you are accessing a legitimate source for your software. Next, tap the search bar. The search bar is typically located at the top of the screen. This is where you will type in the name of the app you want to find. A clear and easily accessible search bar helps you quickly locate the desired app without scrolling endlessly. Being efficient in this step saves you time and energy, allowing you to focus on getting Unity Remote 5 set up for your projects. Now, type Unity Remote 5. Make sure to input the full name correctly to find the exact app you need. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below the search bar. This feature is designed to help you find apps faster and more accurately. It's important to enter the correct title to avoid confusion with similar apps. Once you finish typing, you can proceed to the next step with confidence. After that, select Unity Remote 5 by Unity Technologies Apps. This is an important choice because you want to ensure you are downloading the official app from the right developer. Unity Technologies Apps is the creator of Unity, and selecting their app guarantees that you will receive the most reliable version. This verification step is crucial to avoid downloading any potentially harmful or unofficial versions. Once you have selected the app, tap Install. This action begins the downloading process. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. This step is significant as it initiates the entire process of getting Unity Remote 5 on your device. You can feel at ease knowing that the app will soon be ready for use. Now wait for the app to download and install. This may take a little time, but it's essential to remain patient. You will see a notification once the app has been successfully installed. This confirmation ensures that everything is in order and you are ready to move forward with the setup. It's reassuring to know that once this step is complete, you can begin testing your Unity projects right away. Next, tap Open. This action launches Unity Remote 5 for the first time. You can now start exploring the app's features and settings. Launching the app is an exciting moment, as it signifies that you are one step closer to bringing your Unity projects to life on your Android device. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will help you utilize it effectively in your work. Finally, connect your Android device to your computer with a USB cable. Enable USB debugging and use it with the Unity editor to test your projects. This step is crucial as it allows your device to communicate with the Unity editor. Enabling USB debugging is essential for a smooth connection, ensuring that your projects can be tested directly on your device. With everything set, you can now confidently run your Unity projects and see how they perform in real time on your Android device. Congratulations on successfully downloading and setting up Unity Remote 5 on your Android. You are now ready to enhance your game development experience.